Imagine ChatGPT, but living on your own computer, not in a browser tab you close and forget, but right there on your desktop, connected to your files, your apps, your messages. That's exactly what ClawdBot is, a self-hosted AI assistant that runs locally on your PC or Mac, connects to models like Claude or ChatGPT, and actually does real work.
ClawdBot isn't just another chatbot. It's a persistent AI agent. That means it doesn't disappear when you close a browser tab. It runs on your machine, understands your workflow, remembers context, and can automate tasks in the background. Instead of copying and pasting between apps, ClawdBot can create files, modify documents, generate code, browse the web, and even respond inside messaging platforms. It feels less like a chatbot and more like a digital coworker.
ClawdBot can execute commands directly on your computer. It can create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, write and run code, and manage your files without you opening a single app. It integrates with Telegram, Slack, and Discord. That means you can talk to your AI assistant from tools you already use every day. With web search connected, it can pull live information, assist with research, and keep your projects updated in real time. And here's where it gets interesting. It has memory. Over time, ClawdBot learns your preferences, remembers past conversations, and adapts to how you work. It stops being a tool and starts feeling like a personalized AI operating system.
The good news, you don't need a supercomputer. Any modern Mac, Windows, or Linux machine will work because the heavy AI models run on providers like Anthropic or OpenAI. The software itself is free, but you will need API keys from providers like OpenAI or Anthropic. Your cost depends on how often you use it and which models you choose. Setup isn't completely plug-and-play. You'll install Node.js and Git, run a one-line install command, paste in your API key, and optionally connect a messaging platform like Telegram. It takes a bit of technical confidence, but once it's running, ClawdBot works smoothly with minimal maintenance.
ClawdBot gives you the power of the world's best AI models, but with the control of running everything from your own machine. Your chats, your files, your workflows, they stay on your computer, not on some unknown third-party server. You get automation and privacy at the same time. In a world dominated by cloud AI, ClawdBot asks a bold question. What if the smartest assistant you'll ever use doesn't live in the cloud, but on your own desktop?
If you want more deep dives into powerful AI tools and future tech, subscribe to Neural Nexus. Because the future of AI isn't just smarter, it's more personal.